Hey, Bermcannon here, and in this video I'm going to explain my reasons why you should start out with a dual sport motorcycle over a street bike. Dual sport bikes have more access to more riding than street bikes do. If you're riding a street bike, you only could stay on the street. Where a dual sport bike, you could possibly go down rough alleys, railroad tracks, dirt roads, name it. Use your imagination. You can go a lot more places with a dual sport motorcycle than a street bike. Two, dual sport bikes will build your motorcycling riding skills a lot faster and more in depth. Riding a dual sport motorcycle will put you in a lot more diverse riding conditions compared to a street bike, where it's basically dry asphalt or street, or it's wet, which that's a skill you're going to have to build as a new rider. But a dual sport motorcycle, there's a lot more surface areas that you will hit and learn to get better on. Fire roads, which is loose gravel on top of powdered dirt. You will ride in mud. You will ride in rocks. Ride real off-road, which is like trails, riverbeds, and so on. First year that you get into a dual sport motorcycle, you'll build a lot more in-depth technical skills that will stay with you for the rest of your life. Where guys who ride street tend to not do well off-road if they ever try to transition. If you do dual sport, you'll just build more skills. If you're just into crotch rockets or riding a Harley, yeah, if that's all you're gonna do, but I think you're shorting yourself. If you get into dual sporting and you build those skills, you can then ride all kinds of different terrain. You can go all different types of places and not come to that fire road where you're kind of nervous and you don't want to go with your friends and explore the unknown. Now, let's say you just don't want to go down the dual sport route. The one motorcycle I can recommend is the Honda Grom to start out on. It's small, it's light, and it doesn't have a lot of power. In this case, you can then spend your time in parking lots with cones, practice turning, or practice maneuvering the motorcycle better than if you jump on a big crotch rocket or a Harley. Okay guys, to recap, number one, you can go more places and see more things on a dual sport motorcycle than you can a street bike. And number two, while doing that, you will build more skills and more rider knowledge than you will on a street bike. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got more videos coming for new riders like you, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, like always, let me know your comments below. Maybe you have a different idea on what's better to start out riding.